Yung pinakalaman naman yung lilinisin natin. So, we call it deveining. Basically, tatanggalin lang natin yung parang pinakabituka niya. So, yan, makikita nyo. Yan, yung madumi na yan. Especially if you're doing it na isa-serve more, ibebenta mo, it's a must na matanggal mo yan. It might actually affect yung flavor ng dish mo overall. And mas maganda yung presentation niya kapag ganyan. If your presentation would require you or mas trip mong iserve to ng kasama yung buntot, just make sure lang natanggalin mo yung nakatusok na yan, yung parang yun nga, buntot niya. Kasi baka may madali. So kakat lang natin yan with our knife. Or kung may gunting kayo, snip nyo lang yan. And another part is, another restaurant standard is yung pinakabuntot na yan, make sure na scrape nyo lang din. Para lang matanggal din yung ibang kulay na nandyan.